It's day 10 already of the 2023 LEGO Star Wars Advent Calendar, and we have an IG-227 Hailfire class droid tank. Also known as the Hailfire Droid, the Wheel Droid or simply Hailfire, this model was manufactured by the Hor-Chal Engineering Corporation. They were used by the Intergalactic Banking Clan and the Confederacy of Independent Systems during the Clone Wars, as well as the Alliance to restore the Republic during the Galactic Civil War. Able to roll rapidly into action, the Hailfire Droid was an armoured missile platform. It was easily identified by its treaded, hoop-like drive wheels, 8.5 metres in diameter, which made it capable of moving at intimidating speeds across flat ground or shallow lakes. Their light armour plating, which was usually brown or silver in colour, made them very fast, but at the cost of making them vulnerable to infantry attacks. They had a photoreceptor eye which could lock onto both land and air targets at impressive distances, greatly improving the range of their missiles. They were equipped with 2 racks of long-range Hailfire missile launcher pods on either side of their heads. Each carried 15 guided missiles that left behind a trail of black exhaust when fired. These projectiles were effective against stationary or slow-moving targets on terrain where blaster weapons were unusable due to the lack of clear lines of sight. The missiles were at their most effective at ranges of less than a kilometre. They followed deliberately swerving, evasive trajectories. When they were depleted, the Hailfire Droid was forced to rely upon its forward-mounted twin auto blaster.